How to recover permanently deleted files on iPhone. So let's get started. Firstly, download Phone Rescue for iOS and connect your iPhone. Install it to your computer and connect your device to the computer and choose the mode Recover from iCloud. Now, log into your iCloud account and choose the iCloud backup. You can see iCloud backup option available there. You select iCloud backup to recover files deleted from iCloud. Now, preview deleted files and recover them from iCloud. Preview files before recovering, look for it, browse through it, and recover the selected items from iCloud to your iPhone or your computer. Now, the other way is recover deleted files on iPhone from the recently deleted album. If what you would like to find is photos, the first method that you should apply must be the recently deleted album. Normally, when we delete pictures on iPhone from the camera roll or some other albums, the photos will not permanently disappear but move to the recently deleted album and saved there for 30 days. So before that date, you can easily get them back to the original album. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.